Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Empower Personal Dashboard for Retirement Access step by step clearly. To begin authenticating with the Empower Personal Dashboard for Retirement Access, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Empower Personal Dashboard and press enter. Click on the official link to the Empower Personal Dashboard to reach the login page. Once on the login page, locate the login button and click it. You will be prompted to enter your username. Type your username into the designated field. Now, move on to the password section. Enter your password carefully in the provided space. After entering your credentials, look for the login button at the bottom of the page. Click on this button to proceed to your dashboard. If this is your first time logging in, you may need to complete an initial setup process. Follow the prompts to set up your account, which may include verifying your identity using a code sent to your phone or email. Once set up, you will gain access to your personal retirement information. If you encounter issues logging in, look for the Forgot Username or Password link. Click on it to initiate a password reset or retrieve your username. Follow the instructions in the email or text you received to regain access. Once logged in successfully, take a moment to explore the features available on the dashboard. You can view account balances, manage investments, and track your retirement goals from this hub. If you need further assistance, check out the help section or contact customer support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.